probably be, if you have not been paying attention to what I've been saying. Hey, it's Libby Rishana. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I am glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you something a little bit different. I am not going to be sharing with you another meal, but I do know that you love my recipes, but we're going to do something different. I'm actually going to do an unboxing video.
Surprise!
If you have not been paying attention to what I've been saying, that means you have been distracted by my background, which means you have seen at the corner right there my KitchenAid mixer. That's what I'm gonna be unboxing today. So let me grab that and let's go ahead and see how it looks. I'm very excited to open this. This is my very first stand mixer. I have a hand mixer, but this is a KitchenAid Artisan mixer. I believe it's the second after the classic, because I always wanted to get an Artisan and I didn't want to get the Pro either because that's way expensive and it's huge and I don't bake every day, so this is the perfect size for me. I chose a silver color. I would have loved to get the black, but it was hard to find the black. I believe all of their mixers, stand mixers, have this head where you can attach a bunch of different attachments, like over 10 attachments that you can add to it. So we're gonna go ahead and open it so we can have a first look at what it looks like. Let's open this. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna use one of my latest sharp knives because I just did a haul on that, and since I don't use small knives as often, I want to use one of the knives to open this baby. Let's do that. I am so excited. Let's just. Okay, so when you open the machine, you have this paper will show you all the 10 attachments that you need or that you might be interested in, and it has the different bowl sets. And then the back says thank you, merci, and gracias. Yeah, so in 3 languages: English, French, and Spanish. And at least I can read all of them. Let's take this out of the box. I'm excited to take it out of the box, but at the same time I'm not excited because I don't like this. Ooh, my ears. Gotta figure out how we're gonna do this. Okay, let's. My ears. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the floor. Let me remove the foam because my teeth.
Oh my God!
I'm sorry, I just can't. I don't like the sound of foam. The feeling, it just doesn't give me anxiety, but it's just it makes my teeth cringe and I just can't stand it. So this is the first look at this beauty. Comes with a book. This stand mixer is a K45 series, KSM45/KSM200 series. Whoever reads manuals, I don't read manuals. Like, if I can't figure out how to use a machine or something, I just go on YouTube and go Google. Like, anybody got time to read that? Like, I ain't gonna do that. I ain't gonna do that. But comes with a flex beater. It also comes with a door hook, so this way. And then you have your wire whip, which is attached to the machine. You have the options to have it down or have it up, and then on the side you have your levels 1 to 10. You can go ahead and put your attachment, and then in here you can have a bunch of, you just put it in there. You can grind meats, you can do pasta, so many things. The options are endless. That's why I love this machine. I had told myself I would not make cheesecake if I didn't get one of these machines. So now that I have this, the very first recipe I'm going to use this machine for is going to be a cheesecake. Watch out for that video because it's going to be coming out probably after this. Here you have your information about registering your machine online. I have a card for that. The bowl, to take it up, you just twist it, it comes off, put it back on. The counter suction of this is pretty strong. It's like, it really holds the machine. Is heavy, it's very heavy. What makes the machine do its work is basically just right here. And then do you have this bottom that is like a little bit lighter. You can tell that this is what holds the whole machine together. You can tell like it's very heavy. I literally thought it was kind of like silver because this right here seems more silver than this. This I would say is a gray color. The glossy finish is not bad. I think the next time I get one of these, it's probably gonna be the matte finish because I've seen those matte finishes and they're beautiful, really nice. Like, it doesn't feel like it's gonna scratch. This is it. I'm just so happy. I'm very excited. I think with this machine I'm going to be doing a lot more baking. I am planning to do my bread using the machine. I've done bread before without using electronic mixers, but I'll probably use it for like baking cakes or maybe pies. We'll see. I'm not really a big fan of this bowl style, but that's what comes with the machine, except you decide to choose any of the other upgraded versions of bowls, which yeah, I ain't got that kind of money for now. But I know that I'm very excited with the machine. This is my very first stand mixer, and I always wanted the KitchenAid. Always. KitchenAid has always been my go-to when it came to stand mixers. I just love it. I just love it. So okay guys, that's all for this video. I am excited to start using this machine in my kitchen, and if you have a KitchenAid mixer, make sure to comment below. And if you don't have one and you were to be given one, what color would you like to have? I know personally that I like this color. I also like the black, like the matte black, and the white as well. Make sure to hit that like button if you like this video. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.